In today's digital age, the quest for financial stability has transcended traditional boundaries, and the allure of passive income has become the holy grail for many aspiring to enhance their financial well-being. Passive income, the earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved, is often touted as the best way to generate income online, and for good reason. However, with the advent of innovative technologies, massive passive AI has emerged as a game-changer in the realm of online passive income generation. Why passive income reigns supreme? The appeal of passive income lies in its ability to generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Unlike active income, which is typically earned from a 9-to-5 job, passive income works for you around the clock, providing a steady stream of earnings that can lead to financial freedom. Here's why passive income is the best way to generate income online. Flexibility and freedom. With passive income, you have the liberty to set your schedule and work from anywhere in the world. This flexibility is invaluable for middle-aged individuals who may be looking to reduce work hours or have more time for family, hobbies, and travel. Financial security. Passive income streams can offer a buffer in economic downturns or unexpected personal events. By having multiple streams of income, you can ensure a more stable financial future. Scalability. Unlike a traditional job, passive income endeavors can be scaled up without a proportional increase in labor. This means that as your passive income grows, your earnings can increase exponentially without a significant uptick in effort. Enter Massive Passive AI, the ultimate passive income generator. Massive Passive AI is not just another tool. It's a revolutionary approach to earning passive income online. Here's how Massive Passive AI stands out. Automation at its finest. Massive Passive AI leverages advanced artificial intelligence to automate the process of income generation. This means once set up, the system requires little to no intervention, allowing you to earn money while focusing on what truly matters in life. Accessibility for all. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or a newcomer to the digital marketplace, Massive Passive AI offers an intuitive platform that doesn't require technical expertise or prior experience. Everyone has an equal opportunity to thrive. Rapid results. In the documents provided, users of Massive Passive AI report substantial earnings in remarkably short periods. This tool is designed for those who are enthusiastic about seeing quick returns on their investment. Continuous innovation. Massive Passive AI is not static. It evolves, harnessing new advancements in AI technology to ensure that your passive income streams remain robust and profitable in an ever-changing online landscape. Making passive income a reality with Massive Passive AI. Massive Passive AI is redefining what it means to earn passively. With user testimonials speaking to earnings of over $700 daily and the potential to scale profits by 500% with the AI Profit Booster, Massive Passive AI is not just promising a passive income, it's delivering it. The system's designed to mitigate the common pitfalls of online income generation, such as reliance on one merchant account or the burden of content creation, positions Massive Passive AI as a frontrunner in the industry. By addressing these issues head-on, users can confidently grow their income streams without the fear of setbacks. In conclusion, passive income remains the pinnacle of online income generation due to its ability to provide flexibility, financial security, and scalability. Massive Passive AI elevates this concept by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create an unprecedented opportunity for individuals of all backgrounds to tap into and benefit from the lucrative world of online passive income.